So guys, this is the cPanel interface and I already submitted there my login credential. Click on login and come to the cPanel main interface and then click on the search button. Here is a search box. You can type here and search anything in cPanel. So we need to type PHP because we need a PHP versions. So that here is a drop down menu. Here is PHP admin multiple PHP manager. So we click on multi PHP manager and we can see an interface like that. Click on the domain checkbox button and here is click on the versions you need. Actually I need here 8.0 of the PHP versions, so I click on the button and now click apply, and then you can see here it is success message that successfully applied PHP versions on PHP 8.0. so it's totally changed. So no more today, let's goodbye.